How to apply for Revolut physical card. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you in how you can order or how you can apply for Revolut card. Now it's quite simple. All you have to do is, now I'll be guiding you here. I'll just be explaining you, but I won't be able to show you since the app itself is unavailable in my region. So here what you want to do is you want to open up the app and there you want to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to go to the cards tab. Now you want to find out the cards tab there and you want to head into the cards tab, and then you want to tap the get card button there. You'll find the get card option. Once you tap on the cards tab, then what you want to do is you want to choose the type physical card and your card type there. Now you can get various cards, you can get metal card and such. Then what you can do is, once you choose your physical card and your card type, you want to create your pin code and you want to provide your address. Now once you do so, all you have to do is you'll have to submit the order, and once you submit the order and you make the payment, now the cost of the card and delivery will also be displayed before the checkout. So once you check it out, you'll be able to get the physical card. So this way you can apply for Revolut card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.